Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 3B Concierge Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a wonderful amount of space for everyone.
And this category has an incredible view. They don't have this category on other ships yet, and it is just phenomenal. We can't wait to show you.
Let's go check it out.
As we come into the room here, you can see lots of space already. The theming a little bit different than the regular staterooms here. This one is a Little Mermaid theme, as we'll see throughout. Over on the right, we have our closet space. We've got a couple that open up this way, just a closet rod there and some life jackets and then some storage down below it. And then we have two other sections to the closet here that slide open. This first half is where you're going to find your shelf storage area. We've got our in-room safe down there as well. And then the second half over here is where you're going to find your very fancy plush robes, because you are concierge. You have those fancy robes, little concierge logo on them there, and some slippers down below. Of course, some additional storage space for luggage there as well. And then across from the closet area, we have our bathrooms, and it is that split bathroom layout as they have in most of the staterooms here on board. The first half of the bathroom here is where you're going to find your toilet and your vanity. A little bit smaller than some of the ships as far as this half of the bathroom goes, but still not too tight in here. You've got some little shelves up there on the wall as well as on the wall over here. We have a lighted mirror there and a single vanity with some of the Elemis hand soap, the upgraded amenities here in the room. We also have one little detail that's really fun. Hardly notice it, but there is a little Disney Cruise Line logo stamped on the toilet paper there. Just a fun little touch that they put in there. The other half of the bathroom here is where you're going to find your tub and shower combo. You can see we have a glass wall and door here on the tub instead of having a shower curtain. This opens up and you've got beautiful tile work there on the wall. Of course, very Little Mermaid-esque with all of the seahorse and flowers and shells and things. We have our scrub here as well as our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Again, the upgraded, not the H2O. We have a detachable shower head up there as well as a huge rainfall style shower head there. We've got a single vanity in this bathroom with another big lighted mirror there. We've got some lotion over here on the right as well as our washcloths and towels. And then a little bit of storage space down below the vanity with a couple little shelves there. And on the inside of this door, you have your full-length mirror for the room here. The room is that Little Mermaid theme that I mentioned. We've got the beautiful headboard here that has a little light that lights it up, so you've got some reflective elements in there, which is really cool. Absolutely beautiful scene of the Little Mermaid there. And then our carpet has little shells kind of made into it. Of course, we have the under the bed storage here with this king size main bed. We've got a letter from the concierge and this bed runner, really plush fancy bed runner with the Disney Wish logo embroidered on it. Our pillowcases, we just noticed this, actually have little hidden Mickeys on the pillowcase too, which is really cool. On each side of the bed, we have a small little nightstand that has a drawer. You also have a 220 outlet on this side with two USBs. You have a small reading lamp as well as your regular lamp that you can see the little Mickey. Once you turn the light on, there's a little Mickey head there in the lampshade. And on the other side of the bed, we have the same setup, but instead of the 220 outlet for the hair dryers and whatnot, you have regular wall outlets, two USB outlets, and a USB-C, which is really cool. They also have a pillow menu here because you have multiple options for pillows as a concierge guest. Across from the bed, we have our TV here in the room, mounted up on the wall there. And there is a curtain that kind of divides the room in half here. If you want to have this half sectioned off, you can slide that across. The other half of the room here, where we sleep our other three guests, absolutely spacious in here, tons of room to spread out. We've got our couch that folds down into a twin-size bed, and it folds right on top of the couch, so no additional floor space is needed. You have a pull-down upper berth, and you also have the pull-down Murphy bed over there, and your stateroom host will take care of pulling those down for you. If you need them, just let them know. We've got a cute picture of Ariel and Flounder here on the wall. Really nice artwork there. And then across from the couch, we have our little dresser area, some shelving there on each side of the lighted mirror. We have a makeup mirror down there as well as our phone. There's some outlets over on this side, regular and USB and USB-C, in addition to that hair dryer outlet there. You can find the hair dryer in the drawer right here. And then right over here, this bigger drawer down here is not actually a drawer. it's your mini fridge. And as a concierge stateroom, it comes fully stocked, which is really cool. Over here, we have our stool and a small little drawer that has your room service ordering, door hanger, as well as a few pieces of paperwork. A little bit of storage down here on the end by the phone there, and the tissues and trash can. Just little nooks and crannies they utilized in this room, which is great. You can see we have a couple chairs and a table over here, and then on the side of the Murphy bed, we actually have another small little storage area. Again, really utilizing the space in these rooms. You can have connecting staterooms here in this category, so there's one of the connecting doors for that. And the main feature of this room, the ocean view, not a veranda, just an ocean view, but I wouldn't really say this is just an ocean view because these windows are huge. They span the entire room. They are slanted a little bit. You can kind of sit on the little bench down there. Right here forward of the ship, this particular room, dead center. Absolutely amazing views, especially as you're going through the islands and things. Should be an amazing place to sit and enjoy the cruise as you're sailing along. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 3B Concierge Deluxe Family Ocean View Stateroom here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And while you're on the channel there, check out all the other room tours that we have. We have a ton across all the Disney Cruise Line ships and other Disney resorts all over the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.